Okay.
Tika dito, Dok.
Dapat ba na-strike pa muna para strike tayo lang ako? Sino may strike? Wala na?
Ayan, sige. Ayan. Sir, medyo konti compress lang. Yan. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. We'll start with you, sir.
My name is Andy Uy from batch 73, and I am a bass.
My name is Victor Pua of Bus 79. I am a tenor.
My name is Rose Lucharda Uy of Bat 74. I am a soprano.
My name is Richard Juan of Class 81. I am a bass.
My name is Dennis Teo. I'm from batch 83 and I'm a bass.
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 Hold on, bus rider.
Sir, pwede ito question for you. Very specific question.
Mamaya tayong dalawa.
I joined the alumni chorale of...
I love singing.
Okay. I joined the alumni chorale because I love singing and I represent batch 73.
Sir, pwede ito.
Being part of the choral means meeting new friends.
Kay ma'am.
Ano yun? Ano kaya sabihin ko?
Say something, ma'am. Kay ma'am.
Teacher Jessie.
Teacher Jess.
Teacher Jessie is
My sexy.
very good.
Sir, kay Edita.
Teacher Philip is a good teacher.
Teacher Stephanie is a wonderful person.
Si ma'am naman.
Ano kaya? Hindi ko alam.
Ano yung practice lang? What would this council be?
Power of the people.
Parang hindi lang to. Okay, ba't may ganun ba yan? Kasi lang gusto natin.
Achieving what our dreams. What our dreams. What our dreams.
Wala na. Okay na?
Oo.
Or achieving.
Ayan, my first song is...
Ayan. Teacher Yana.
Yeah, sino yun?
It's my way.
Kailangan ko ng example. Okay, sir. Would you like that? Hindi ba my way din ang gusto nyo?
Your way.
Okay? Ayan. May sabay lang.
They're about here.
Okay.
79.
73.
74.
81.
We invite everyone to watch us
on January 25 and 36 at the Resort World.
Come on, man.
Nice. See? Kapag marami, we collaborate there. Okay. Oh, ito na.
Totoo na ba kayo?
Ay, totoo rin. Bahala na sila mag-edit doon, no? Totoo na yun.